Hey, what's up? My name's Melinda. I'm a Sephora beauty director.
And I'm Natasha, part of the Sephora team.
And today we are dialing in on waves. Yes, waves.
I'm going to show you how to get these gorgeous S waves.
And I'm going to do a more like effortless, kind of beachy wave.
And the best thing, we're using the same exact products.
Let's get started. All right, if you're using heat on your hair, you have to use protection. This is one of my favorites. It's from Dry Bar. It's the Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist. This stuff is great because you can use it on dry hair whenever you need it. I'm just gonna spray it all throughout, make sure I'm good to go before we even get started. I just like to lift my hair and kind of do like this butterfly motion. Oh, you have so much hair, it's so pretty.
We're both gonna be using the Dyson Corral hair straightener. I'm gonna be doing the S technique. Let me teach you my technique just in this front piece of hair before I get started.
Yes, please.
Yep. So grabbing it like this, and we're creating a nice little S, and we're feeding it into the straightener, kind of like a little snake.
Yeah.
So maybe S is for snake, actually.
It is an S. And you also described it almost like one of those little straws.
Yeah, the little clear
So
straws from the
pretty.
90s. Isn't that cute?
Yeah, it's the perfect little S. So I do something a little bit different. I love this style, but because my hair is fine, it lays a little bit flatter, I need a little extra boost of volume and body. So I'm gonna do like a more standard beach wave. I'm gonna grab about 1 inch or 2 inches, similar to Natasha. And I'm gonna take my corral horizontally and then just do like a flip of the wrist. First, I'm gonna start this way, flip the wrist and go over top. And you're just gonna keep that same motion kind of back and forth as you work your way down your hair. You can end there and leave the ends out, or you can add an extra little at the bottom. Okay, so now that we've seen both techniques, shall we section and get started?
Let's get into it.
Okay. So we're just splitting our hair in half, clipping away the top section so we can start on the bottom. So I don't know about you, but for me, it's really important to kind of let the corral do the work for me instead of pulling the hair too hard or, you know, like trying to create the wave. Let the corral do the work, because if you pull your hair like this while you're straightening, the heat, it's not set yet and it'll kind of like straighten back out. It's probably the same way for you with the S wave. You have to feed it kind of gently.
Yeah, when I feed mine, like I have to pulse it like this, so
Exactly.
it just like does the work for me.
Yeah, exactly.
You
It's
know?
a lot lighter of a touch than you would think. Sometimes I lose my place on my wave as well, so I'll kind of like pick up like mid-shaft if I need to, and just pick up where I left off, make sure that wave looks how I want it to. All right, I'm done with my bottom section, so I'm gonna take down my top and get started.
I'm almost there.
Take your
I'm
time.
almost there.
You have so much more hair than I do.
I'm moving on to the top now.
Get it?
Catching up, catching up.
So I'm like a little bit more intentional when I'm working around my face. I feel like I like to kind of create a frame with the waves.
Cute.
So like the curve up here will kind of sit under my cheekbone. Do you do anything like that with the S wave? Or is it all the kind of the same?
I kind of keep it the same.
Yep.
So since I have a side part, I feel like I need to section off this area because I want that extra just like nice voluminous wave.
This looks so pretty and glamorous. I love how you can really see the difference between the two waves.
Thank you. I love yours. It looks so
Thank you.
beachy and gorgeous.
A little voluminous moment.
I love it.
Thank you, thank you. So make sure we want to set this in place,
Yes, we're
right?
not done yet.
Yes, we've done all this hard work. Let's spray it. Let's use some hairspray. This is from Color Wow. This is a cult favorite, firm and flexible hairspray. It's nice because it's literally firm and flexible,
Love
which
that.
is what you want with waves, right? Nothing too stiff. So I'm just gonna do kind of like 8 to 10 inches away. Quick spritz. With waves, I like to kind of spray underneath as well because it helps like the outward
yep.
wave. So I'll do that and then like underneath as well.
Okay, and I'm pretty generous with hairspray.
Do it.
I'm a hairspray gal.
Well, you got a lot of hair, so I understand. That side part looks so pretty.
Thank you.
I think it's pretty cool actually that we used the same tool and the same products and our hair looks completely different.
Let us know in the comments below which one you're gonna try.
Yeah, and like this to show us some love. Subscribe so you don't miss out on more tutorials like this, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.